Okay, here's how to tune your TV in. This is a Samsung TV. You're going to go onto the side here and come down to the digital menu, select, and then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to come across here to the tuning menu, which is the satellite. Press select again, which is normally the middle button on the remote control. We're going to come down to auto store, and then we're going to press start. What this will now do is it'll scan through and it'll pick up the channels. What most people are looking for is obviously the channel number here. And what we're looking for is the first channel number we're looking for is channel 32. It may find some channels lower on at the bottom end of the scale, which it has done, but these are from a different transmitter. So what we're looking for is the Winter Hill transmitter, and the first channel that it should pick up is channel 32. Okay, so if it hits this one and stops, which it is doing, then what it'll do is it'll kick in a few channels. When it stops at channel 32, that is actually called a MUX or a multiplex, and that'll have a block of channels within a block of channels. When it stops like that, what it's doing is it's actually detected that there's some information there, and then what it does is it tunes in, scans it, and puts it into the TV's memory. So at the moment, it's actually found 60 channels. Now those will be a mixture of TV channels, data channels, and radio channels. Each time it stops, what it's doing is it's detecting some kind of information. So as it scans across again, it'll stop when it detects that it's received some information. In the Winter Hill area, or in the northwest, you've got quite a few different transmitters. You've got the Welsh transmitter, and then you've also got the Lancaster transmitter. The Lancaster transmitter has its channels further on at the bottom of the scale, and the Welsh transmitter has them in the middle. If your aerial picks up some of the Welsh channels, what you'll do is when you store it at the end, some of the newer TVs will actually say which region you want to store it in. So again, it's detected on channel 58 that there's some information there. All the time it's storing them in to this, which is services found. This is the last channel that it'll pick up information on, and then it'll just scan through to the end. So at the moment it's picked up 171 channels. When it gets to the end, what we're going to do is we're going to store it and save those channels. Okay, it's updating the channel list. Okay, that's all stored in there. We're going to come out now.
3,000 deaths in Spain.
There you go, and that's it. That's all you need to do. You can do this at home yourself, or should you require us to do it, then we can even, at the moment, with the way things are, perhaps go through and talk you through over the phone. So this is a totally free of charge service that we're putting in. So if you do need us, by all means, just give us a ring, and we'll try and help you out over the phone, or just watch this video as well. All right, thanks very much. Stay safe, everybody.